Kids Clubhouse for session 1. We are into our last activity before the holidays are upon us as well. So I thought I'd get a little festive, put on my Santa cap, because we are going to be making a Christmas themed craft today. So your activity booklet for this week is Christmas, 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 holiday seasons. There will be your usual word searches, word finds, coloring sheets, look and finds, all that fun stuff in the activity booklet. The last page of your activity booklet is where you will always find your Kids Clubhouse craft corner. Again, we are going to be making a tree ornament. So this week in your kit, you will have some yarn. You guys will probably have some green yarn. I'm just using some brown yarn here because that's what I like. You will also find 4 popsicle sticks and some pom-poms. You guys in your kit will have some green yarn. If you have different color yarn at home that you would prefer to use, by all means, go ahead, grab it, use it. Make your tree ornament look the way you want it to look, because Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner, it's all about inspiring creativity and having lots of fun. What you guys are going to need from home, today I will be using my hot glue gun. If you have one, remember to always use one and ask a grown-up for help, because obviously they're hot, they can be dangerous, and we don't want anyone burning their fingertips. You can also use white glue. With the white glue, you'll have to do it in longer steps just because it will take a little bit longer for the popsicle sticks to glue together and whatnot. So if you guys are ready, go grab your scissors, go grab some glue, and anything else you may want to use as decoration, go grab it, and we'll meet right back here and we'll be on to our first step. All right, friends, so I kind of forgot to also mention what you'll need from home. Will be a green marker, or if you have green craft paint, like green acrylic paint, you can use that because the popsicle sticks will be bare, and to make it look like a Christmas tree, we'll need something green. So I forgot to mention that. So while I start coloring my popsicle sticks, you go off and find your markers and start coloring and start painting, and we'll meet right back here, and I will let you know what we do right after that. 3 of my popsicle sticks colored green. I left this one bare because I'm going to use it, I'm going to leave it natural look, like in its natural color, because it's going to be the stump of a Christmas tree. If you colored it, no problem, you can leave that green. If you don't want to leave it green, when you glue it, just turn it around and you have a bare colored popsicle stick again. Okay, so step number 1. We just completed. So we're colored and we already painted the popsicle sticks. Step number 2 is we are going to glue. So we're going to take our glue, and remember, if you're using white glue, you can even use, like, grab a Q-tip and dip it into the white glue and then dab it at the top and the end of each popsicle stick. I'll show you, but you'll probably have to set it aside for a few extra minutes before you wrap your yarn around it, okay? All right, here we go. So we're going to glue in a triangle shape. So I'm going to put some glue at the top and press and hold together. So there is the top. And I'm going to turn it around, put some glue on the backs. Take my last green popsicle stick and very gently lay it on there. And remember, if you're using a hot glue gun, please be careful and make sure an adult is there to help you out. Okay, so there is our popsicle sticks glued into our triangle. So next up will be wrapping the yarn. So for those of you who are using white glue, just take a pause and just wait for your glue sticks or your popsicle sticks to dry. And I'm going to show you when you guys are ready how to wrap the yarn. So again, you guys have the green. So if you have different yarn that you want to use at home, by all means, go and grab it. I'm going to be using this one because it's rustic and I love rustic. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start it here. And you're going to dab a little bit of glue on this end here, on the inside of the popsicle stick, and place the yarn in it. All right, friends, so we've got our yarn dried to the back of our stick, okay? So this is what we're going to do next. We are going to take the yarn, okay, that's hanging from the back of our stick, and we're going to pull it through, bring it forward. We are then going to wrap it and we're going to hold it. We're going to add a little bit of glue to the back again. And we're going to put the yarn through the glue. To keep it from sliding and moving. Okay, so we've glued it on the back. We are now going to take it and weave it through, just as so. So weave it. Okay, so now the working line is at the back. You're going to wrap it around the stick once more and weave it through that way. All right. Now we're working with the yarn in the front. We're going to wrap it around that stick, bottom stick, just as so. And just to keep it in place, you can add some glue to the yarn if it keeps moving. And then you wrap it around the back again. Weave it through. Now we're in the back. Gonna take the end, weave it through again, wrap it around the front. Take your glue, because now we're ready to get ready to tie off the extra amount of string. I'm actually going to attach one more. Okay, so we're just weaving and wrapping, weaving and wrapping. If you don't want to use all of your string, when you have enough string covering your tree, you can snip it off once you cut it, or once you've glued it down, I mean. If you want to keep wrapping your tree, so it's got lots of yarn around it, you can. I'm going to do one more loop around, I think, like this. And now I'm officially ready to tie it off. So I'm going to take my glue, snip it, and place it into the glue. And we're going to set it aside. Now, if you are using white glue, this step might take you a little bit longer, just because you're gluing some of the pieces down to keep them from moving. So this is what your tree should look like right now. The weaving doesn't have to look identical. If you just wrapped it around and wrapped it, how you wrap it how you like it, because this is you, right? There's no right or wrong way of doing it. You wrap it how you want to wrap the yarn around the tree. I'm just here to help and guide you guys and give you some tips. All right. So next up, we're going to take our extra piece of popsicle stick. We're going to take our scissors and mark it. So again, this is where you need an adult to help you because we don't want anybody hurting themselves. And then you just snap it. Once you have it snapped, take your glue and attach it to your Christmas tree. And now this is where it gets really fun. We're going to take our pom-poms and we're going to glue them onto the yarn. If you have some cool stickers, you can also put your stickers on here, whatever you'd like to use. I'm going to put my bright yellow pom-pom at the very, very top of my tree. So, we're done gluing our pom-poms. Now we're going to take some of our extra yarn, if you have it. We're going to pop some glue onto the ends of them. And we're going to attach it to the back of the Christmas tree so we can hang it. All right, guys, and that is it for our Christmas tree ornament. Just remember, these are super cute. You can always add your name to the bottom of it, the year that you made it. You can give it to somebody as a really great gift. I hope you guys have had lots and lots of fun throughout our weekly craft meetups. I know I have enjoyed it so much. I want to thank you all for all of your wonderful support, for meeting me here every Tuesday at 4:30, for coming in every week and picking up your activity kits. It's been so wonderful. The feedback has been so great. And parents, grown-ups, just remember, if you'd like for your children to continue in the Kids Clubhouse program, you can always email us at the library. Head on over to our website, go to programs, go to Kids Clubhouse. All the registration details will be there. Registration for session 2 opens Tuesday, December the 15th, 10 a.m., closes Tuesday, January 5th. Session 2 then starts up again the following Tuesday. So if you haven't already, let us know that your children are continuing. Like I said, email us. If not, you can always register your children starting December the 15th. I look forward to seeing you all in the new year. So happy holidays, take care, and I'll see you guys really soon with some more Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner. Bye for now, take care.